Hey there, plant lovers! Ready to bring some green into your home? Indoor gardening is a joy. It's like having a piece of nature in your living room. Watching your plants grow and thrive is so rewarding. I remember being nervous when I started my indoor garden. Would I kill everything? But guess what? Plants are tougher than you think. With a little love and care, they'll flourish. Indoor plants don't just look pretty, they clean the air, boost your mood, and help you focus. It's like having green, leafy friends around. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, I've got tips for you. We'll cover easy care tips, great plants for beginners, and solving common problems. By the end, you'll be ready to create your own indoor oasis. Let's get started. Let's talk about easy ways to keep your plants happy. First, observation. Get to know your plants. Look at them daily to spot any problems early on. Next, consistency. Plants love routine. Water them regularly and give them light at the same times each day. Don't move them around too much. They dislike sudden changes. Clean your plants. Dust can block sunlight and make it hard for plants to breathe. Once a week, gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth. For fuzzy leaves, use a soft brush. Lastly, don't forget about humidity. Many indoor plants come from tropical places and love moisture in the air. Increase humidity by misting your plants or placing a tray of water near them. Just make sure the pot isn't sitting in water to avoid root rot. With these simple tips, your plants will be on their way to happiness. Let's talk about plants perfect for beginners. First up is the trusty Pothos. This plant is nearly indestructible, can grow in low light, and doesn't need much water. Plus, it looks beautiful trailing down from a shelf or hanging basket. Next, we have the snake plant. It can survive in almost any condition, including low light and infrequent watering. Snake plants are also great air purifiers. They're perfect for bedrooms because they release oxygen at night. Spider plants are another great choice for beginners. They like bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light too. Spider plants produce little babies that can be easily propagated. Lastly, let's not forget about succulents. These little guys are perfect if you tend to forget about watering. They store water in their leaves and can go long periods without a drink. Just make sure they get plenty of light. A sunny windowsill is perfect for most succulents. With these plants, you'll be a successful indoor gardener in no time. Let's dive into the basics. Water, sun, and food. Watering is crucial. Stick your finger an inch into the soil. If it's dry, water it. Now, let's talk about sunlight. Most houseplants thrive in bright, indirect light. Yellowing leaves, too much light. Stretching, needs more. Feeding is like giving vitamins. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Over-fertilizing can burn roots. Less is more. Happy plants make for a happy indoor garden. Even with the best care, sometimes plants have problems. But don't worry. Most issues are easy to fix if you catch them early. Yellow leaves could mean overwatering, too much sun, or not enough nutrients. Check the soil moisture and light conditions. Adjust as needed. Brown, crispy leaves often mean your plant is too dry. Move your plant to a less sunny spot and make sure you're watering enough. Pests can be a problem too. Look out for tiny bugs. Isolate the plant right away to stop the pests from spreading. You can often get rid of pests by washing the leaves with soapy water. For tougher cases, try neem oil. It's a natural pesticide. Drooping plants usually mean they're thirsty. Give them a good drink. With these tips, you'll keep your plants healthy and thriving.